Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is where you get to learn about computer science and programming. If this is first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and click on bell icon to receive notifications whenever I publish new content. We have already seen what integers are. They are whole numbers. Up to now, we have opened interactive cell using Python command in Windows command prompt. But this time, I want to introduce a built-in IDE that comes with Python installation. It's called idle. Just search idle, click on that, and it will launch the Python interactive cell. Now the benefit of idle environment is that it gives nice syntax highlighting for Python code. You can do everything you could do from the command prompt in this idle environment. For example, let's create a variable age and assign the value 23 to it. Now we can manipulate this age variable. Let's say we want to find the age after 2 years. We could do age plus 2 and we will get 25. Now when we do that, that doesn't change the value of age. In order to change its value, we have to reassign the value age equal to age plus 2, and now if we check age, it becomes 25. There is also shorthand way to do the same thing. We can type age plus equals 2 and we get age of 27 this time. This works with any type of mathematical calculation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There is also a modulo operator which is represented using percent sign. It gives the remainder of the division operation. So 25 modulo 2 and we get back 1. 26 modulo 2 and we get back 0. We can raise the number to any power using double stars. So let's print 2 to the power of 4 and we get back 16. We can also use pow function to achieve the same. The first argument will be the number we want to raise, and the second argument is going to be the power we want to raise to. So pow to 4 results in 16. We also have abs function for absolute, which returns the absolute value of a number. So abs minus 2.5 will result in 2.5. Okay, let's assign age back to 25. Now we could do all the mathematical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When we divide age by 2, we get back 12.5. That's normal division. If we only want to get the integer part, we can do integer division, which is denoted by double slashes, and we get back 12. This actually rounds down the answer. It tries to lower the result to the nearest integer. If it was 12.25, we would get 12. But if it was 12.75, still we would get 12. Now to work with numbers, we have math module. Module is like a Python file with Python code written inside. These functions allow us to work with numbers easily. Now to use math module, you have to first import the math module, and you can do so using the import statement. Import math and it will import math module into our current file. If we want to seal a number, we can use seal function math.seal 12.75 and we get 13. If we want to get the floor of a number which rounds the number down, then we can use floor operation. Math.floor 5.2 will result in 5. We have function to find square root of a number, so math.square-root 4 will result in 2. To check all the functions in math module, search for Python 3 math module in Google. This opens docs.python.org website. This is the official documentation of Python. Here you can find all math module functions. We saw math.seal, math.floor. There are many more functions. and I encourage you to see this documentation and try out some of these functions yourself. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you. If you have any questions or comments, post it in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.